Hello everyone, welcome to the video guys. यहाँ पे देख लो, these are such amazing fresh passion fruit और मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ because I have a freshly baked cheesecake ready. I've already posted on Instagram if you haven't seen it. And we were having breakfast which is pancake with some fruits and ice cream because Bhavini was here and we had an amazing breakfast. और उसके बाद हम दोनों ने art करने का plan किया. So I was here just drawing my stuff and she was also doing hers. And and the cheesecake that we baked was finally cooled down और इसके ऊपर मैंने वो पेशन फ्रूट का बनाया था, ये कॉम्पोट बनाया था. एंड इफ़ यू वांट द फुल रेसिपी इट्स ऑलरेडी ऑन माय चैनल फॉर द चीज़ केक सो यू कैन मेक इट. Bhavini, show. Bhavo, where have you reached? Beautiful, this is so cute. Reminds me of Diwali competitions. Rajasthani. By the way, मैं यहाँ पे हांडवा खा रही हूँ. We have dinner plans, so dinner में कुछ friends हमारे आएंगे. So right now it's just light. भाभी ने तो पूरा राजस्थान एक पेपर में ड्रॉ कर लेंगे. અહીંયા સાઈડમાં એક દાલ બાટીની પ્લેટ કર. કલરફુલ પેઇન્ટિંગ, ડ્રોઈંગ. કંઈક કર જ એડ કરી રાખ, મારું પત્યું નથી હજી. And after drawing guys we started preparing for dinner. So हम लोग बनाने वाले थे Mexican lasagna and Bindi was supposed to come from work, so we just got stuff ready and it's basically easy to make it. The first time I tasted was when my sister made it over here and it's so amazing and so delicious. तो इसमें कुछ नहीं करना, ये सारे veggies toss करने with some spices and you add your kidney beans which is rajma, and यहाँ पे Bhavini was helping in setting the platters and we had everything ready to set our lasagna. So we're just going to be using our normal tomato sauce and instead of the lasagna sheets we'll use the tortilla which are the wraps. You can use any whichever you like and we're just gonna cover it with the filling. और यहाँ पे Bindi is setting the lasagna bake and yeah, you just do layer by layer, as many layers as you want, put some cheese in between और ऊपर भी आप लोग cheese डाल सकते हो. So yeah, it's a very heavy and very healthy dish, especially like compared to the other lasagna. And there you go, it's baked and ready. Do you like it?
You need more?
It's called halvo. Mombasano halvo. Kelo, do you like it?
It's like lado.
Kelo liked
You need
it. My room is in a mess. Mara Dinglo, Mara Bedu Pursuta, my Dinglo. Dinglo, I miss you. She's so cute. She's just looking at the Bhagwan over there. Conche, is it Krishna?
We've done this one.
I did that one just today.
That one. That.
You saw that on the YouTube? I put that video. Which Bhagwan do you want to draw? You want to draw Ambema because Navratri is coming. Which one? You want to draw that one right now? No, you wanted to do this one. Yeah, no, right now there is no time to draw detail work, okay? So I'm doing big designs. Then you color this. Sit down and color this, okay? ये देखो कौन उठ गया है यहाँ पे. And start with doing yellow, okay? There's all this yellow, or you can start with doing the sari and the blouse, okay? Oh, we forgot about the sari. Okay, start. Pick whatever color you want. Are you excited? Just slant it and just, so when you go quicker, it goes faster. So you don't get these marks. You see these red dark marks? So you don't do like this, okay? Don't do like this. Hold it like this and then do it like this, okay? नवे मई को क्या पहुंची? Wow, that's beautiful.
That one up there.
See that frame?
Yeah, but it looks like someone drew that.
Yeah, I drew that one.
Oh. Wait, what?
So बिचारा.
Wait, you drew that.
What?
You drew that.
Yeah.
Oh, that crayon's so good.
Thank you. Yours is good as well. We'll frame yours as well, okay? We got 3 of them now. So many. Shivni told me she's coming. Shivni was supposed to come today and she's already reached. And she's waiting outside. So we're going to open the door. I see you! Did you step on one of the earthworms or the slugs? Shiv, tapag na upar. Dekha? Ah!
Flicked it off.
Oh my god. Chickeny chameli. What do you mean you don't like them? Then I join all the time. It's so cold still, I'm sweating. Hi Shivu. Hi. Welcome to the video. कल मेरा वर्क डे है और कल एकादशी है. So I've put my fruits ready. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में fruits बहुत अच्छे मिलते हैं यार. Look at that. You made that. Wow, Shivu made
This
it.
pieces are for the putting in the
This
dish.
looks so amazing. Is it coconut and chutney? Chutney? Coconut. I was gonna say coconut chutney. Coconut and khajur and chocolate. Yeah. By the way, रक्षा बंधन है. So शिव ने अपने भाई को राखी बांधेगी और मिठाई भी लाई है. Shiv, guess what I have for you? Guess what leftover I have for...
I just saw the video.
हाँ, मैं हमने Instagram में post कर रही हूँ. I just posted the passion fruit cheesecake video on Instagram and Shivni saw it maybe when she was coming over. उसकी किस्मत देख लो. घर आके cheesecake सामने हाजिर. You just want to taste? No, Kim, weight loss. Shivni, try the cheesecake. Oh, ele sache भाव तो है तुझ. Nice है. Okay. Kim, खाली taste करवानी थी. But I don't like the black border. काय करूँ परसा?
No. Why? What's wrong with the black border?
I don't like it.
Pretty. The sun.
That's the one I posted online. Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
It's ganj. It's glass frame
Oh,
એટલે.
it's quite heavy.
Yeah. पूरी गाड़ी ऐसे ठंडी ठंडी हो जाती है. I have a morning shift right now, so I'm going, and then I'll come back. और तब तक शिवनी must be awake and ready. तो फिर हम लोग देखते हैं आज डिनर में क्या बनाएंगे. It's so dark, आपको मेरा फेस नहीं दिख रहा. Hi George, how are you? I didn't know you were in the morning shift. It's actually turning into a beautiful sunny day and I'm going back home now. Shivni must be waiting for me. She's been alone since morning. Hey guys, आज एकादशी है और आज ना मुझे एकादशी का ढोकला बनाना है. देखते हैं कैसा बनता है. Good day, mate. By the way, when I was at work, I told Shivni to soak sabudana and samo. I think Bindi has soaked the sabudana because we'll also make sabudana ki khichdi. मैंने बिंदी को बताया नहीं है कि मैं ढोकला बना रही हूँ. Sometimes I just try and I surprise her. And she also tries so many new things and surprises me. So we keep on surprising each other. She'll come from work अभी. हम लोग ये ginger और मिर्ची. शिवनी यहाँ पे देख रही है how I'm doing everything. Different shades of white, yeah, ना? दही वाला सफ़ेद, साबूदाना वाला सफ़ेद, मोरैया वाला सफ़ेद। गंगूबाई को कौन सा सफ़ेद चाहिए? तो इसमें क्या क्या डाला है? नीचे मिर्चा है, आदू है, मोरैया है, साबूदाना है, ऊपर दही है। अभी हम लोग इसको ब्लेंड कर देंगे। गाइस यहाँ पे हमारे ढोकरा को ऑलमोस्ट 15-20 मिनट्स हो चुके हैं और अभी विल जस्ट ओपन इट। she's been waiting for it to open। चल रेडी। बेस को ठंडा होने देंगे निकाल के।
36 hours की ड्यूटी it was going fine, you are working so hard in your life, 36 घंटे की ड्यूटी पे गई।
Shivani is watching the rape and murder case that happened in Kolkata of a doctor. I don't know if you guys, if you follow me on Instagram already, I was putting stories and everything. Yeah, there's so many things to be told about this. I don't know if I should share it in this video or what. You know, it's not the first time it happens. By the way, some of my friends were messaging me, is this like the first time that such thing has happened in India? I think because लोगों को पता नहीं होता, if you're not like, because I was in India, like so many patients के relatives होते हैं, they've beaten up Indian doctors, कुछ भी होता है, not just rape and everything, but yeah, no. So from the investigation, the police said it's just one person suspected, but obviously there's so many people.
अब तुम लोग रहोगे तो तुम लोग भी पैनिक करोगे ना।
Postgraduate trainee doctor.
Yeah, respiratory medicine. I don't know what was happening there. Let me tell you, these things are such common. Like, I've never shared, you know, that's the thing, I've never shared my India part of my life. I've never shared that on my YouTube channel or whatever, but that was very important. Like, it has happened, you know, it happens normally also. ये तो बहुत बड़ी scale में हो गया. But I say everyday life also, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, it happens. You know, like there was one day also I was going in the bus. I was telling one of my friends, she asked me that did something like this happen or whatever. You know, I never, even no one, I never bothered to even tell this to anyone and everything. You know what was, there was a guy, I was sitting in the bus. I think Ahmedabad से Anand जा रही थी because I studied in Anand. तो Ahmedabad in Anand, and then there was it was like not even a boy, old man, something, you know, middle aged or whatever, sitting next to me. And bus में तो कितनी सारी public होती है. And then he was watching pornography, just sitting on the bus next to me, and I could see it, just in front of my eyes, I could see it. So disgusting, that was such a disturbing moment because ऐसा normally होता. Even my roommates, like I had American roommates, some of you maybe know, I don't know if I've mentioned them before. She had to buy the spray, you know वो pepper spray होता है.
Oh my god, yeah.
For protection, because हम लोग ना, हमारा जब admission होता था ना इंडिया में, तो like we used to be in the NRI quota, हमारा अलग admission होता था, like for the Indian students, and then हम लोग जो internationally वहाँ पे इंडिया गए थे study. So I had so many American friends, and तो हमारा पूरा NRI quota, और सब लोगों को ऐसे locals वहाँ पे थे ना, उनको पता चल जाता था कि we are like NRI when we start speaking. मेरे तो फिर भी गुजराती, I know how to speak. वो मेरे American के जो friends हैं ना, उन लोगों को they didn't even know how to speak Gujarati and everything properly. So they used to know, and then she also had so many incidences with people randomly just, you know, following her and everything. She had to buy that pepper spray. ऐसा नहीं है कि गुजरात मतलब हम लोग safe नहीं थे. Don't get me wrong. We really liked our time over there, but there are incidences that happen normally. और फिर ऐसा लगता है, you know, it's hard for doctors. You're like studying all these years. आप लोग अपना साल मतलब studies में डाल देते हो. And then such things happen just because of what reason, man? What's the reason of this happening? Just a bunch of horny men who wanted to have intercourse? Like, what the hell? And the worst part is, ये सब कर रहे हैं, strike पे जा रहे doctors, काम पे नहीं जा रहे, everything. You know what is more hurtful apart from what happened? Watching the patients. They're so helpless. There's no doctors to be with them, no doctors to treat them. सब लोग strike पे जा रहे. All patients are coming to the hospital, returning back to go home because there's no one to see them. You know. So that's also a sad thing to watch because of all these things happening. I bet and 4-5 दिवस से ना strike कर रहा बदू कर रहा, but the least that they'll get, people will start forgetting. That's such big things happen, everything happens, and then it remains as a memory. It remains as an incident that happened. You know, after like a couple of months, that's it. You know, the whole crime scene was demolished like just 2-3 days after. कुछ लोग गए वहाँ पे तोड़ फोड़ करके सब कुछ निपटा के आ गए. इट्स जस्ट दैट देयर इज एंगर ना, वो डॉक्टर्स को यूजुअली एम्पैथी होती है, सब कुछ होता है, अभी तो कोई मतलब ऐसे मैं नहीं कर रहा, इट्स एंगर, वो अंदर से गुस्सा आता है कि व्हेन यू सी थिंग्स हैपनिंग, स्पेशली सी ना व्हेन आई एम टेलिंग दिस टू यू गाइस ना, आप लोग को शायद इतना फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा, आई डोंट नो, बट व्हेन यू आर इन दैट फील्ड ऑफ डॉक्टर्स, medical system, or especially when I've like studied in India, I know how things used to be. But even staying in Gujarat तो फिर भी मतलब safe माना जाता है, you know, compared to like other places, but still, yeah. You see, even Shivri is watching this news, like she's literally watching the news, and she's so shocked because I had a couple of friends, like I'm saying, जिनको पता भी नहीं था कि इंडिया में ये सब होता है, like doctors get beaten up and doctors are so disrespected. इसलिए कभी-कभी मुझे लगता है कि Australia that way, like कभी-कभी ना it's hard to get registered here and everything, like it's a whole long process, so you get that urge कि वापस इंडिया जाके काम करने लग जाए, whatever, you know, because but then if you think about the future and everything, like Australia is so much more rewarding. और ऑस्ट्रेलिया सेफ तो है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया का एक प्रॉब्लम है, यहाँ पे साइकोटिक पेशेंट्स होते हैं ऐसे, यू नो, बिकॉज लाइक स्पेशली बिकॉज हम मेंटल हेल्थ एंड एवरीथिंग, लाइक साइको पेशेंट्स होते हैं यहाँ पे, ऐसे ही किसी को मार के गोली मार के स्टैब करके चले जाएंगे, but it's still safe. That's the whole point when everyone is so angry because no one does nothing about it. Disgusting. Guys, हमारे ढोकला यहाँ पे cool हो चुके हैं. Now I'll just cut them into ढोकला रो नाम सांभरी ने शिव ने उठी ना. She's so excited for this ढोकला, let me tell you. You want to cut? चलो, you cut. Square pieces. So guys, these ढोकलास are done. आप लोग ऐसे भी, अगर आप लोग ऐसे भी खा सकते हो चटनी के साथ, अगर आपको तड़का देना है, वघार करना है, आप लोग वो भी कर सकते हो. And our ढोकलाs were ready and they turned out so good. और यहाँ पे we're just getting stuff ready for साबूदाना की खिचड़ी. So I've used ghee. आप लोग oil भी use कर सकते हो. And just like normal वघार, we put राई, जीरा, कड़ी पत्ता, ginger and chili. And you just mix all these things together and start putting the potatoes and carrots because इसको cook होने में ज़्यादा time लगता है. इसको थोड़ा सा cook करने के बाद just add your capsicum, tomatoes. और ये vegetables आप लोग अपने choice के डाल सकते हो, जो भी आपको डालना है. And then just add some धनिया, जीरा and salt. Finally we'll add in our साबूदाना जो हमने soak करके रखा था, and our crushed peanuts. ये optional है लेकिन बहुत अच्छा लगता है if you put it, and just mix it. अगर आप लोग हल्दी खाते हो एकादशी में तो आप लोग डालो, वरना it's okay if you don't put. And finally we'll just squeeze in some lemon and dhania and just cook it for some time, and our sabudana ki khichdi is ready, and everything was ready for dinner. Finally we had our dhoklas and the sabudana ki khichdi. We also made some salad, and there was potato baked veggies and dahi ki chutney. It was so good. Or guys, next day I went to work and I took my leftover dhoklas and they were tasting so good. So all of you should try it. It's really easy to make. आप लोग अगर एकादशी करते हो, आप लोग ये ढोकला ट्राई कर सकते हो. Bye bye. Bye Tika. Good night. Good night. Mama ne gira vibhaniyo. Adi, you know that song?
Adi is my cute bolu. My cute bolu.
किसी के यूनिकॉर्न की पार्टी चालू है. So guys, it's a beautiful Sunday और यहाँ पे हम लोग आए हैं इट्स कन्हैया's and Krish भाई's birthday. Actually उनका बर्थडे लास्ट वीक था. यहाँ पे ना अच्छा होता है, ऐसे पार्क आप लोग को मिल जाता है जस्ट फ्री. यू जस्ट कम डू योर पिकनिक्स और व्हाटएवर. और यहाँ पे कैंपिंग भी अलाउड है. तो आज इतना सनी नहीं है बट विल वर्क विद इट, इट्स ओके. Hip hip hooray! everyone smile. Arshil Kaka is with all the kids here. Guys, the day is over, almost evening ho chuki hai and we're almost done and we'll go home now. And it was fun. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. And go!